Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's discuss about African red palm oil and red palm oil supplement. Have you considered taking red palm oil supplement? Red palm oil have a lots of benefits, something they don't want you to know. African red palm oil, often simply referred to as palm oil, is a popular cooking oil in many African countries. It is known for its distinct reddish-orange color and unique flavor. There are several benefits of African red palm oil, which contribute to its popularity in African cuisine. Red palm oil supplements are derived from the same source as the culinary oil and can offer several potential health benefits due to their nutrient content. Nutrient-rich, African red palm oil is rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins A and E, which are important for maintaining good vision, skin health, and overall immune function. It also contains beneficial antioxidants that can help protect the body from free radical damage. Saturated and unsaturated fats. Red palm oil has a balanced ratio of saturated and unsaturated fats, making it a heart-healthy choice. It contains less saturated fat compared to some other tropical oils, like coconut oil. Stable at high temperatures, palm oil has a high smoke point, which means it can withstand high cooking temperatures without breaking down or producing harmful compounds. This makes it suitable for frying and deep frying, common cooking methods in African cuisine. Here are some potential benefits of red palm oil supplements. Rich in antioxidants, red palm oil is a good source of carotenoids, including beta-carotene and lycopene. These antioxidants can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Vitamin A. Red palm oil is one of the richest dietary sources of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision, a healthy immune system, and proper skin health. Vitamin E. It contains tocopherols, a type of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties and may contribute to skin health and protect cells from damage. Heart health. Some studies suggest that red palm oil may have a favorable impact on heart health due to its balanced composition of saturated and unsaturated fats, which can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in red palm oil may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. Supports skin health. The vitamin E content in red palm oil may contribute to healthier skin by promoting elasticity and hydration. Nutrient absorption. Red palm oil contains healthy fats that can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamins A and E. Brain health. Some research suggests that the carotenoids in red palm oil may have a positive impact on cognitive function and brain health. Energy production. The medium-chain fatty acids in red palm oil may be easily metabolized for energy. Immune support. The combination of vitamins and antioxidants in red palm oil can support a strong immune system. Flavor and color. African red palm oil adds a unique and distinctive flavor to dishes. It has a mildly nutty and earthy taste, which enhances the taste of many traditional African recipes. Its vibrant reddish-orange color also adds an appealing visual element to dishes. Versatility. African red palm oil is used in a wide range of African dishes, including stews, soups, sauces, and fried foods. It is a staple ingredient in many traditional recipes and plays a significant role in the flavor profile of these dishes. Nutritional benefits. Due to its nutrient content, red palm oil is believed to have health benefits, including promoting eye health, boosting the immune system, and providing antioxidants that may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. However, it's important to note that while African red palm oil has its benefits, its consumption should be in moderation because of its calorie content and saturated fat content. African red palm oil is a valuable and versatile cooking oil in African cuisine due to its rich nutrient content, unique flavor, high smoke point, and vibrant color. It is used in a wide range of dishes and provides health benefits when consumed as part of a balanced diet. However, it's essential to consume palm oil in moderation. If you have specific health concerns or dietary needs, consult with a healthcare provider before adding any supplements to your diet. Thanks for watching.